因为全球暖化影响，这北极熊因的生态地减少，无所在通住，也无物件通食。不过，有科学家是发现讲，伫咧挪威是真有可能，因为这海冰拢扬起啊，这蜡物电导变甲集中，愈好了，所以这北极熊是愈食愈大颗。
北极地区的冰架受到全球暖化影响，一直咧求水。科学家对着挪威伫咧北极地区的斯瓦巴群岛做27档的研究，发现当地无冰架的日子增加100天，平均每一年增加4天。科学家嘛追踪700只北极熊，发现大汉的北极熊的体重并无因为冰架减少来变散，伫咧2000年了后，颠倒变肥啊。
What we see then is that when they are on land, they do take other sorts of prey. They hunt reindeer. Much more than they used to. We get a lot of observations from people seeing that, and we also see it more frequently ourselves.
研究人员讲，可能是因为人类无去继续乱输捕猎，互北极熊甲海象的数量增加，北极熊更较高找到蜡物。因为即马冰架的面积减少，互海拔分布的所在更较集中，互这北极熊的捕猎行动更较有效率。安尼嘛，互因更较高囤脂肪好过冬，或者是探后一代。不过全球暖化若是继续，时到若拢无冰啊，北极熊可能找袂到食，腹肚就爱下起来。
We do think that in the future, at some stage, we will see the bears starting to get thinner. So the good news is that we're not there yet. And why we think so is that you don't find polar bear anywhere in the Arctic where you don't have sea ice part of the year.
科学家嘛警告，北极熊过掉安怎，就是全球暖化上重要的参考指标之一，也就是咱人类爱好好面对的问题。公司新闻张惠敏编译。